Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access my classes, some of them free, some of them paid for through a subscription on my website, all in one convenient place. So let's start by opening your browser, bringing up a search engine, and we're going to come up to the bar and put in mindfulfitlife.com. That will take you to the website. And first I'm going to show you how to access the free classes on my YouTube channel. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the home page here, you're going to see this is my YouTube feed right here. So you can click on any of these and it will take you to that video. It should open up just like this.
Hello and welcome to today's.
And you'll have no problem accessing those videos for free. Now for the paid subscription classes, you're going to sign up for that. So you would click on sign up here, and then you choose your pricing plan. You can choose annual on demand or monthly on demand. And you get an automatic free week. So if you're not 100% sure if you want to pay for the subscription or if you're okay with just having access to the classes that I've got on YouTube, then you can try it. And then if you decide you don't want it, you simply cancel by the end of your free trial and you're never charged. If you have any questions about that or concerns or anything regarding that, please just reach out to me. I'm happy to take care of those questions for you. So just to give you an idea of how this works, you would click start free trial and then you can choose your start date and it'll tell you exactly what you're paying. It gives you all the information that you need. If you already have an account with the website but you don't have a paid subscription, then you can log in before you pay. Now you would have to, because if you don't, then it's going to recognize that you're already a member and you may have some issues there. If you have any trouble with that, you can always just reach out to me, email me, and I'm more than happy. You can also use this little chat box here. Even if I don't reply immediately, it will come to my email, so I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So it's a direct way to connect with me right here on the website. But anyway, if you have any trouble with that, you can always reach out to me. I can, adjust any access issues that you're having. But once you decide that you're going to sign up, you simply click on sign up. You're going to use a credit card. You can use any of these ways. However, I highly recommend that you sign up with Google if you have a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, signing up with Google is going to be the easiest way because then you never have to remember your password. If you choose sign up with email, you're going to have to choose your email and password and it'll be independent simply for this website and nothing else. So that's why I would recommend using Google if you have Gmail. If you use Facebook and you have a Facebook account, it's exactly the same thing. It just remembers your password for you so that you don't have to. So if you tend to forget your passwords, that's the way to go. Okay, but once you go through that process, I'm not going to go through it here, but once you go through that process, you should be automatically registered. You'll get an email confirmation that you're registered and it'll say that your free trial has begun. Again, any questions? Just reach right out to me. You can use this little Let's Chat box, and that's a direct line to me. Okay, so any problems, just chat with me while you're on there. If I can't get back to you immediately, I will get back to you as soon as possible. So then once you have signed up, you will have access to this Fitness on Demand. It will require you to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in so you can see here. And this is what it'll look like. I use Google, so I'm going to go this way. And then it takes you back to whatever page you're on, but you can see right here that I am logged in, okay? So now we're going to click on Fitness on Demand. And it'll open up this page, and now you have access to the full library of exercise videos. And you can see there are quite a few. I mean, these are each individual line here is a channel, so you can see this is favorites, this is cardio classes, mind body classes. Now, just so you are aware, the favorites are the group favorites, so whatever most people are using most of the time when they log onto the website, that's what's up here on that top row. Cardio classes, you've got mind body classes, which is going to be anything yoga related. Mixed format classes are going to be a combination of strength and cardio, typical, maybe also some yoga involved in that as well. Just depends, but it means that you're going to do more than one thing in these classes. Typically, it'll be cardio and strength. Then you have specifically strength classes, bands and body weight's a new 20-minute class. and then recovery classes, which are going to be foam rolling, mindful movement, gentle yoga, the things that are easier, more about stretching and recovery, okay? So this is how you access that. It's very simple. Once you get in here, you simply click on a class, and then it's going to open up like this. It gives you the full description. I'm going to mute this so that you can continue to hear me. But then if you want the full screen, you simply open up the full screen. Nice and easy here. So if you want to exit out, maybe that's not the class you wanted, you just hit this little X up here and it takes you back to this page. All right, very, very simple. Once you're done, I would suggest just leaving yourself signed in, but if it signs you out, it's as simple as signing back in. So this is right here. You know, and if you want to manage your subscription, that's right here as well. Okay, so you have access to everything you need on this little drop-down box. You can log out. See, there you go. This is your subscriptions. If you decide to do any of the programs, which there will be more, you can find that here as well. So this is the Learn to Meditate program. But again, that is right there on your account. So if you go back to your account, you're going to find all that information right there. Should you want to cancel your subscription or anything like that, change your credit card information, anything like that, you can do that here. Okay, so I am going to sign back out now, just so you see the difference of what it looks like. Now, if you're signed out, we're going to go back to the home page. So when you're signed out and you try to click on Fitness on Demand, it's going to prompt you to sign in. Okay, so if you are wondering why you can't access the classes, it's just because you're not signed in. Okay, so there's that, and then there's the YouTube. So you can access all of it from the home page. Keep that in mind. You never have to go anywhere else. You don't have to try and find me on YouTube. You simply scroll down to the bottom of my home page here, and you can access any of the YouTube classes right here, and you've got all of them, right? You've even got my webinars, so some tips, you know, anything, including my recipes, you can find right here on my YouTube channel, and this is a direct link. And remember, if you have any questions, if you need any help, I am more than happy to assist, and you just click right here on Let's Chat. Thanks for joining me for this brief video. If you have any questions, again, hit me up. Take care and enjoy your Fitness on Demand.